Today I am at my new listing in Amberley. I had an open house and it was an amazing response. We had so many people stop by, and the spring market for real estate has started. So if you are interested and looking for a perfect home, come check out this new listing of mine. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, uh, just about a little bit over 3,000 square feet, and it backs to a beautiful pond that you can view it from the primary and upstairs bedrooms. Let's go inside and take a look.